My name is Masaki Yamada. I'm lead head of product at Invert, and we're a bioprocess AI software company. Recently, we released our Invert Assist product. We're building in AI as a native chat assistant for any bioprocess scientist to be able to dig into their data and figure out how to get to their answers quickly. Most systems don't actually aggregate your data across bioprocess sources well at all, and that core of that data is really critical for getting any useful answer. For anything that we're providing to the user, we're providing full traceable Python code so that it can be auditable and rerunnable as needed. And that's important because the industry is highly regulated, and we want to make sure you have good traceability. And you don't want AI to be a black box. So being able to understand how you got to a conclusion and how you got to those answers is really important so that you can extrapolate any of that understanding to the relevant circumstances for your excursion detection, your deviation management, or for your product discovery. I hope this product launch really accelerates our ability to provide treatments to patients, avoiding week-long deviation management and really reducing the time that information is gridlocked to be able to get to progress in process development and release of commercial batches. We're actively building out a lot more within the product itself. We're hoping to expand into future GMP and regulatory spaces. We're hoping to build out more pieces of the product domain so that you can essentially run a lights out lab. Hoping that we can overall extend the GDP of biology through reduction in time waste across the board.